I'm a fool for your love.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'll be reviewing Nepstrius N2. I'm collecting the Beyblade Burst right now, and I've started off with a couple Beyblades already. As you probably know in my previous videos, I already got I think his name was Inferno. I probably got that wrong right away. I know this is Quetzalcoatl. This was a little easier to remember. There you go, there's Quetzalcoatl. I got them in the 2-pack. I did not get this one in the 2-pack though. I pulled the full $10, and here's what it comes with. I like the way the bay looks, so I'm gonna let's get right to opening this package. Already. Okay, let's see. Okay, this cardboard, Nepstrius N2. The second generation along the previous one, I believe. The previous one came in single packs, and I don't know. Did those come with launchers? Wait, did the second generation, the first generation come together? I don't know. Okay, this is hard to take off. I'll cut that off later. Here's the string. And when I take apart this, here's the bay. Let me grab some scissors. Let me brief pause. Sorry for that brief interruption. That was my brother. I'm sorry about all these interruptions I've been having lately in some of my videos. It just keeps on happening. I don't seem to have an hour apiece. Here's a classic string launcher, new Beyblade Burst. That's good. Let's see. Let's get. Oh man, I already forgot the name. Let me. Nepstrius. Oh yeah. Alright, now I got it. Here's Nepstrius right here. What do you call this? The layer? This is good. This is cool. I'll show you it completely built later. Okay. Okay, that's having it's kind of refusing to get open. Oh, there it is. There it goes. Okay, so this is don't know what to call this. I think there's it is a forged disc. Yep. Sorry. There's a forged disc. And I think there's a layer, forged disc, and next is a performance tip, of course. Okay, I can't see on the camera, so I'll just have to lift it up to my face real quick. Okay, I'll be right back. Just look at my background for a second. Oh, there, got it. Okay. And there you go. Here's the performance tip. It's kind of like the whole flat. I think this is an attack type. Yeah, it's an attack. No, wait, no, I'm wrong. It's a balance type. This is a balance type. My mistake. Okay, so here's a performance tip. Whole flat. Actually, I don't think it's called this. The new performance tips aren't named like that anymore. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'll show you it completely built in just a second. And soon, this bay right here will be completely built. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and there he is. He's all built up. There he is, all Nepstrius N2 right here. Pretty good bay. Nice bay, actually. I like the way it looks. I don't know who this belongs to in the anime. I actually started watching Beyblade Evolution Beyblade Burst Evolution before I actually watched the first season, so I should really watch the first season. I think this is where it's first showcased. Anyway, oh, I dropped it. Anyway, I'm about to show you a test spin, and I'll be right back. So, hello, and I'm back, and here's Nepstrius. I'll be using this right here. The second launcher is actually for added grip, and I'll be using this part right here. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, I wonder if it's gonna be spinning. I mean, of course it'll spin. I mean, I wonder if it'll go like straight or something. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Good spin. Okay. Let's see how it goes against, still, Infertor, I don't know yet. Oh, it dropped, it didn't make it, oh no, Nepstrius has lost a lot of spin. Okay, one more spin. Oh my gosh. And a burst finish. Oh, that was hard. I don't know, but I really like performance chip. Anyway, this is my review of Nepstrius N2. Got bursted. This bay is actually really good. Well, that will be the end of this video right here. My next video, most likely, I'll be doing a review on this. Let's see, what's this? Excalius X3 Switch Strike. I just found this and I thought it looked cool. And it's Beyblade Burst Evolution. I didn't say that the other one. I think that's part of the new season. This guy looks cool. And I'll be unboxing this in my next video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you like, leave a comment, and well, this is the end. Bye!